Hello, guys. So here we are in the moment of doubt. All right, and well, we'll see what's going to happen. All right. So remember the virtual trade that was open right here. Okay. It actually kind of it didn't get closed here anywhere. Okay, because it didn't reach this one didn't reach the stop. Okay, but it closed here. So this was the virtual trade which closed here for me. And then actually it made another trade. Okay, so basically it closed right here on this red bar, and then there was this green bar which happened to be a valid signal. All right, and that's why we just entered a long here and actually exited with a profit. Okay, and because this was also a valid signal, this then yeah, okay, so it entered as well. Now so basically by just looking at this, well, I wouldn't say it's the best entry. It could have been much better, right? I mean, if I was trading this manually, I wouldn't like to enter here. Okay, well, obviously because, well, it's right after a really big spike. Okay, a very big kind of movement. So it's quite obvious that after such movement and so far away from the Bollinger, it looks like there might be a comeback. Okay, so, well, I mean, probably there might be a rollback now, and we actually might be looking at a next trade being a losing one. Okay, but, well, let's have a look at the performance, and let's just talk about something we can do or can't do. Okay, so historical. Oh, actually, I want to look at both now. I don't want to look at strategy performance, Bollinger breakout. So I want to look at everything, real time and historical. Okay, so let's have a look at the trade list. And so this is this the old one? Where's the date? Strategy, entry time. Okay, this is 07. We were interested in the past. So it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive wins. Okay, so if we're looking at a loss, which might come next, oh, it's somewhere around $100. It might be. Okay, and we have made so far 50. Oh, sorry, almost $70. So I mean, well, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, I mean, it'd be quite nice if we could actually not face a losing trade right now. At least go up to $100 and then have this losing trade. But it doesn't look like so. The maximum consecutive losses is 22. Sorry, wins is 22. I want to see I would actually want to know the average for that, which is probably around 10. So we're actually going somewhere near the average number of consecutive wins. Okay, so by looking at this right now, I just want to fix some ideas for the club. And number one idea is a filter. So first is a filter that will count, not let us open positions if we are above the average number of consecutive wins. Okay, that's filter number one that I want to have a look at. And filter number two is something like, if we are too far away from the Bollinger, like, well, right here, I don't want to trade there. I don't want to open positions that, well, this is like, looks like 2 standard deviations away. And I mean, on one side, like here, it's really falling. Okay, the market is falling, but it doesn't look like it's too far away right here. But still, I mean, It might work, it might not. We got to check that because, for example, even here it's still trading and making money, but well, we really got to figure it out, okay? But right now I'm in doubt about, well, having this trades being open at the top here, you know, almost 2 standard deviations away. Okay, so maybe we make it like a filter because now we have this indicator right here, which is telling us how many bars have we been above the Bollinger. Maybe we should kind of make that work in conjunction with another filter, which is gonna show us how far away are we from the Bollinger. Okay, so if we are more than two standard deviations away, maybe we should filter those trades out. I don't know. So far, we're not touching the system, okay? Because, well, I mean, it doesn't look too obvious to me right now what's going to happen next. I mean, if you look at, let's just close this for right now. So filter, no trade. Oops, it's hard. No trade after 2 ST divs away from middle. Okay, so that's 2 filters that might be worthwhile adding. And the third one, which we are actually adding to the system, is going to be the reversal. Okay. So, however, if you look at this in context of the daily time frame, right? And this is the 15-minute, right? So here's the big sort of short passage right here is this one here, and then there's this kind of pullback, okay? And well, if you have a look at this, okay, so you see this is the Fibonacci, okay? So if this was a 100% move and this is a retracement that we're kind of looking at, okay, so well, it's almost 50% right here, okay? So it kind of went to 38, and now it looks like it might go back down, okay? There's a good chance of it actually going down. The question is how further down it's going to go, okay? So I would say that when we started a retracement right here, okay, I mean, the chances of the market retracing to 38%, I'm talking in regards to this move here, are much higher, I think, right, than the retracement of 50 or 61, obviously, right? So when this retracement started, right, it was very likely to have bids for it going up to 38.2 here, okay, and it actually did. And now we're looking at something, we are either going to go and touch 50 and 60, or we're going to go somewhere here first and then go touch it on 50, okay? So, I mean, if it's a sort of a zigzag retracement like the one we see here, okay, and which actually like didn't really, well, let's just have a Fibonacci. Where's the Fibonacci? So here we take the Fibonacci retracement. So this looks like this was the move, okay? And if we look like right here, this actually did almost a 60% retracement right here. And the next one was actually smaller. But the next one should be looked at in regards to this move here, I think, okay? So we might have another move up to 60, you know, a quick one, but well, nobody knows. So we might actually think about looking at a Fibonacci filter, right? That will, you know, filter all trades above 38.2%. Okay, that's another idea that we could possibly add, you know. So basically, when you're looking at entries, let's just add that Bollinger breakout ideas. Okay, so number 4 is filter. First, look at the major moves and filter out retracements oh, entries, sorry, entries that are above 38.2% of the move, okay, or I don't know, X percent, okay. So that's another cool idea, I think. Okay, so save that. And that's how you get ideas, when you actually put this thing live and there's money on it and you're like, okay, so well, what shall I do? Okay. Okay, and well, for right now, I'm just waiting. I don't care. I mean, I have enough cap to make a martingale here. I just hope, even if it retraces, it still goes up, and this trade makes money. Okay. So I guess this is it for day 12, or what is it, after the weekend? So it's 5, 6, 7. I guess it's day 8, and well, with the realized P&L, we're actually up a little bit more. Made $7 today, but by the unrealized P&L, we're a bit down. So, well, I'm only fixing the realized P&L in the in the book. So for right now we're up, but well, this might as well go to about $100. Okay, so not a very happy day now.